This video will demonstrate automatic coding using existing coding patterns. This feature uses an algorithm to code data based on manual coding from an initial set of data. Pattern-based autocoding identifies passages with similar words to apply codes. This feature works with any type of file that contains text. I'm going to ask NVivo to automatically code the first 7 interviews based on how I coded the second 7. Select the first 7 and right-click to choose Autocode. Select Using Existing Coding Patterns and click Next. Now, click the top Select button to tell NVivo which codes I want to code to. In this example, I'm going to choose the folder that contains the themes because this is where I coded the other 7 interviews. Then, click on the second Select option to tell NVivo which files you want to base the coding patterns on. Select the remaining 7 interviews. Click OK. Then click Next. NVivo is now coding, and when it is complete it will give me a report about which codes it can apply successfully. There are no issues detected in these codes. Click the plus sign to see a list of codes. Then click the plus sign next to a specific code to view the keywords used to apply the new coding. NVivo has identified codes that have insufficient coding to use pattern-based autocoding. Sometimes I may see a warning that there is insufficient vocabulary. Finally, NVivo has identified codes without coding. Click Next. Finally, I can tell NVivo how broadly or narrowly to code, sentences or paragraphs, or cells if I'm working with data in a spreadsheet format. Leave at sentences and click Finish. The additional interviews have been coded to themes, and the results are displayed as a matrix. After using pattern-based autocoding, NVivo creates a user named NVivo with the initials NV. Open any code and turn on coding stripes by user to compare your coding with automatic coding. See the Using Coding Stripes video in the coding lesson.